You know, it's been really special for me to be part of the Lowe's home team this season. When I was playing in the NFL, I knew a lot of guys like me who wanted to give back and be a part of their local communities. So when I heard the Lowe's had created this home team, I thought, man, this is great. This is incredible, because to be able to join forces with them and do this together, Lowe's, the NFL, the home team, it was a natural fit.
Being a part of the Lowe's home team has been so cool for me. Being a part of a group of people, are very interested in the interests of the community and of building the communities up around us. It means a lot to me just to be a part of something that's so special and with people that care so much.
It's always good to have somebody like Lowe's on your side. Grip helped out me and my family. We were just trying to have a roof over our head, so I just want to give back.
We were sleeping in a car, and then we moved here to Grip, and it was a way to get some stability going. So to come back and be able to help out, it makes me feel good in my heart.
I feel very strongly about giving back to the community. It's really incredible what Lowe's is doing, and to be a GM of the Lowe's home team and have the opportunity here in New Orleans to do something like this is incredible.
When I heard that Drew Brees was coming down here, I was just blown away. He could go anywhere in the world, and for him to come here to the Lower Ninth Ward, it means so much to me. What Lowe's doing this here, helping my community, phenomenal.
We are so appreciative of Lowe's. With the grant itself, we are able to do a lot more fundraising. It's doubled our production. This home in its lifetime can get up to 40 people off the streets. We are now building home number 127 times 40 is roughly half of the homeless population in Seattle, Washington.
It's special to be a part of Lowe's home team for the second year. Highland Arts is really all about the arts. Lowe's is a hands-on type of company. To be able to drill, to be able to create, to be able to construct, deconstruct, all those things play a role in the arts. That's exactly what we're going to be able to do. The kids are going to be able to build and to really expound on the creativity that all kids have.
Lowe's has been tremendous to work with. Just seeing the community come in and help us and give back, it means the world to us. As educators, we work hard. We want what's best for our kids, and to see people want to help us, it means a lot. A project like this is going to give back to the kids, give back to our community, and then make the world a better place. This is huge. It's a big deal to me.
When I think about the opportunities that Lowe's is bringing to Kansas City, providing workforce development and opportunities for teens, and if you're doing that here in Kansas City, I can't imagine what you're doing across the nation.
For me to have the opportunities that I had in place, all those were advantages that I wanted to make sure that kids had. And I wanted to be a part of that and help take this to another level. And it's really just been everybody working together to try and find new ways to help these kids develop and grow into who they want to be.
Crossroads Community Ministries is here to assist those who are experiencing homelessness to receive the help that they need to leave their homelessness behind permanently. Lowe's and the Lowe's volunteers, they have helped us to get to the finish line. We were kind of stuck in the renovation process and weren't sure if we were going to be able to finish the project. And so now we're excited to be able to welcome people back in here, to be able to present those resources right here where they are, and to walk with them along this journey.
You know, when an organization like Lowe's makes a commitment like this with their hometown projects, I think it speaks volumes. It goes beyond profits and things of that nature. It's truly wanting to impact those in the communities that they serve.
Everybody in their lifetime strives to make a difference. For Lowe's to come here, to bring in the project, to bring in the funding, to partner with us so we can build a true community here, it all comes together and it's all for good.
To be able to give back and be a part of my local community, it's probably the most rewarding work that we do.
You are creating opportunity across the nation.
Lowe's is #1 in my book. They bought Christmas early.
I'm Drew Brees.
I'm Chris Godwin.
I'm Christian McCaffrey.
I'm Matt Light.
Calais Campbell.
Travis Kelce,
Steve Hutchinson.
Najee Harris.
Justin Fields.
Kelvin Beach.
Michael Gallup.
I'm Robert Woods, and I'm here with the Red Vest volunteers and the community organization members, and we are